12 को फिक्स हुई है और 13 को दोबारा उन्होंने कहा जी कि आके आर्ग्यू करें.
I think the best course for the judge was to say that the matter they should approach the Supreme Court in the light of the earlier
order.
Especially the notification is outside the territory of the Punjab.
Very, very true. Hello.
Attorney General, does it constitute misconduct?
My Lord, I have to go through the code of conduct, but if there was a Supreme Court order,
provision of the Constitution,
clear provision of the Constitution,
does he refer to an order?
No, it does not. And there was a Supreme Court order which...
No, he doesn't refer to the order.
It does not.
He doesn't refer to a constitutional provision.
No, my Lord.
He passes an order beyond the territory of Punjab.
So appears, my Lord. And my friend has just informed me that the learned additional Attorney General, actually argued this point.
We may even issue contempt notice to the petitioner. I mean, he's a lawyer. He pretends to be a lawyer at least. How is he acting against the order? If he has a grievance, come to the Supreme Court. We pass the order. He claims to be representing a political party. On the basis of their petition, we had ordered elections.
That's right, my Lord.
So what is this?
That's right.
So there are two things. One is that perhaps the best course would be that because there was a matter pending here, a direction had been given by the Supreme Court. The best course was for the High Court that take the matter to the Supreme Court.
That's
one. Number two, the notification is such that it covers all the provinces.
That's right.
So one High Court dealing with one province cannot deal with that. There is a judgment also which in a CSS matter, the idea was to go to the Supreme Court because you can't upset. I mean, you're actually upsetting the other provinces who don't want to.
I believe there's a division bench judgment of my Lord was heading the division
bench. That's right. Where the CSS exam was challenged, and they said if one province will do it, it will affect the entire exam for all the other provinces. So suppose people sitting in Balochistan and Sindh would like to go ahead, they are also affected. Sara dysfunctional ho gaya.
Notifications have been suspended throughout.
Attorney General, is he the same judge who had passed that order in the electricity petition? 1,600 or 1,100 petitions came before us.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, this is not on. You have to stay within the confines of the Constitution. We take oath to abide by the Constitution, the law. And Article 189 is bound on him, on all courts. I mean, he's really upset our order. He's sort of disregarded our order. I mean, he doesn't even refer to it. He says suspended. His own Chief Justice saying that I can't spare judicial officers because I've got 13 lakh cases in the province. So there'll be a writ issued against the Chief Justice.
No. Can't be.
This is not on.
What's the possibility? Could you assist us? I mean, there was an earlier order, and the entire election is being, there was a direction that 8th February ko hoga, and Supreme Court has passed orders that no step would be taken to derail.
Yes.
So, what is the possibility that if such a case has been filed, that is to be brought before the Supreme Court? Could that case be taken away from the High Court and brought here?
There are past precedents, my Lord.
So that it is heard at one place for the entire country?
Yes.
Why should we give a relief to a person who is a contemner? I use the word contemner because he is derailing democracy.
That's right.
Why should this person hold Pakistan to ransom?
It's actually an individual.
It's an individual, my Lord. That's what
I'm inclined to, I don't know, I'll consult my colleagues to issue him contempt notice.
Once you get the petition here.
These things are happening.
Mr. Swati, there are 51-1 padhiye zara.
This is relating to the... 51-1 में फिर ARO और RO of the judicial.
51-1 जो है वो deals with the.
इधर चेक करें ये लॉयर नहीं है ये बैरिस्टर उमेर खान नियाजी.
He is an advocate, sir. He's an advocate of High Court, yes.
Yes, you know him?
Yes.
Which is he alone, firm with some firm or what?
My Lord, he had previously served as a law officer, as an additional advocate general in Punjab, but he was associated with Tehreek-e-Insaf. He was president of, as it is written in the memo of the petition. Also, he served as the president of the lawyers wing of that party.
He's not a young man then.
He's about as old as I am, so.
That's young enough.
So a young man.
No, he's not like in his 20s.
No.
That on his exuberance, he files a petition, not realizing what he's doing.
My Lord, 51(1) provides for consultation with the Chief Justice for appointment of the judicial officers.
51(1).
51(1). The Commission shall, in the prescribed manner, appoint from amongst its own officers or officers of any government or corporations, autonomous or semi-autonomous bodies controlled by any government, or from the subordinate judiciary in consultation with the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court, a returning officer for each constituency. This is the
अब ये जो
provision which has
बताइए,
been.
अगर 51(1) को
जी
कोई कोर्ट अल्ट्रा वायरस डिक्लेयर कर दे तो क्या कभी इलेक्शन हो सकता है?
नहीं, then we have no other power.
50 को छोड़ देते हैं, 51(1) को अगर मुकम्मल अल्ट्रा वायरस कर दें तो ये इलेक्शन कभी भी नहीं हो सकता।
कभी भी नहीं हो
तो फिर डीरेलिंग करना कहना, आप ये कहें कि इलेक्शन ही नहीं कराना चाह रहे।
Election नहीं करवाना चाहते।
तो ये तो इन्हें पिटिशन ग्रांट कर दी रहा है, क्या किया फिर इसमें?
This is the main relief granted at the interim stage, which is also unconstitutional, unlawful.
अच्छा, आपके पास कोई दरखास्त नहीं दी?
No, my lord, no, my lord. There was no nothing of this sort ever agitated anywhere in the whole.
देखिए, हो सकता है कहीं गलत हो गया हो, किसी का भाई वगैरह को अपॉइंट कर दिया एज आरओ, चलें, हो सकता है।
तो इंडिविजुअल का अगर किसी एक की करे
वो कहेगा जी आप ये बंदा गुनाह है, दूसरे को लगा दो, हम लगा देंगे।
1,500 बंदा ही बायस्ड है इनके अगेंस्ट, और इनके अगेंस्ट नहीं, जस्ट अगेंस्ट वन इंडिविजुअल। प्रॉब्ली ही माइट बी कंटेस्टिंग फ्रॉम वन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी। आप उसके हद तक करें अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है, कम टू अस, वी विल लुक इनटू।
वो ये भी नहीं बता रहे कि उस ऑफिसर में प्रॉब्लम क्या है।
नो,
दे आर सेइंग कि एज अ कांसेप्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव नहीं हो।
एज अ कांसेप्ट, चूंकि हमारे अगेंस्ट एमपीओज के ऑर्डर्स किए हैं डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स ने, तो इसलिए जो हमारे अगेंस्ट पार्टिजन है। दिस इज द एलिगेशन।
ये बताएं कि आरओ और उनके खिलाफ कोई किसी को कोई बायसनेस हो तो आपके पास उनका आने का कोई है लॉ?
जी,
कौन सा लॉ है? कौन सी सेक्शन है कि उनको आपके पास आना चाहिए कि ना कि डायरेक्टरेट में जाना चाहिए? अगर रेमेडी आपके पास थी तो वहाँ आए नहीं आए? आपके पास
they have never approached us.
वो है कोई प्रोविजन बताइए?
It's 50. No, not 55. It's 55 का 3 है. Election Act का 55 का 3 जी. The Commission 55(3). Section 55, subsection 3. The Commission may, at any time, for reasons to be recorded in writing, suspend or withdraw any election official, a public servant.
कौन सा पढ़ रहे हैं?
55, section 55, subsection 3, my lord.
Yes.
The Commission may, at any time, for reasons.
तो आर्टिकल 199 जरा पढ़िए आइन का, ये तो वही मार खा जाएगा।
जी। Alternate remedy.
Last time the same learned judge passed the same order. कितना नुकसान पहुंचाया है पाकिस्तान को?
Sir, I think the total was few hundred billions. I don't remember the exact number, but few hundred billions actually.
वो बिजली वाले
500 billion or something. About 500 billion.
Then again नेपरा को उन्होंने बाईपास करके ऑर्डर कर दिया।
Subject to the Constitution, a High Court may, if it is satisfied that no other adequate remedy is provided by law. There's a rider, adequate remedy is there. और in fact ये assessment के कोई biased है या नहीं है, वो भी किसी कोर्ट ने नहीं करना।
ये खुद या तो
वो इलेक्शन कमीशन ने करना है। Through their long arm of the people, they work under election commission, because we have got people even at the lowest strata.
लॉन्ग आर्म तो लॉ की होती है आपने।
Of the election commission पे वो भी
थोड़ी कम कर लें।
तो शॉर्ट आप कर लेते।
खाइए वायलेशन ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट।
It's 204, my lord.
नहीं, वो तो आर्टिकल है ना,
Article 204. And Section 3 of
ये
the
तो
contempt.
जुडिशियल कंटेम्प्ट हुआ ना।
And Section 3 of the contempt of court.
जरा पढ़ दें आप, जरा दे दें इनको।
हमने प्रेस की
हद हो गई।
But you can get back onto the rails.
अच्छा, आपने
we'll try our
शेड्यूल
best,
क्यों नहीं
yes.
अपॉइंट, अभी तक आपने शेड्यूल क्यों नहीं दिया है इलेक्शन?
मतलब आज देना
आज नहीं, आज आप देंगे?
ट्रेनिंग के बाद हम
नहीं, इलेक्शन शेड्यूल की बात कर रहा हूँ।
शेड्यूल इलेक्शन प्रोग्राम जो है we had planned it after the training or
Training can still continue on the
Where is the
side.
schedule? Show me the schedule.
I don't have the schedule and
ट्रेनिंग तो आपने रोक दी।
ट्रेनिंग कुछ और चीज है, शेड्यूल को
कह रहे हैं कि आप उसका शेड्यूल करेंगे, इसमें कोई बात तो नहीं है।
शेड्यूल किधर है आपका?
schedule we can bring, we didn't bring it here.
बताए ना, schedule
No, we
दिखाए
wanted
नहीं।
it
We were going to issue the schedule
Today,
It must be ready somewhere, lying somewhere, ना? तो दिखा दें।
who is the gentleman behind you?
he's the secretary election commission.
जी, तो ये
It had already been drafted. It's
तो
already-
you'll issue it today?
No, let them bring it.
Your Lordship, the idea was to issue the schedule right after the training, which has,
Why after
What's the
the training?
connection between the two?
that was what the commissioner decided, that they will issue it
No,
right
but
after the
Mr. Umar
training.
Hamid, you would have,
There must be some connection.
and you must have drafted a schedule. Program तो बन गया होगा ना? आप इंतजार तो नहीं कर रहे।
इस दिन नॉमिनेशन पेपर देना है, इस दिन ये करना है,
Gee,
तो
वो
इस दिन ये-
section 57 के तहत, you know, you
Oh,
go
where is that
backwards.
schedule?
That schedule is counted 54 days backwards.
Where is the schedule?
We have it, sir.
वो
show it
वाले
to us.
हैं. We have the draft. We
No, when will you issue it?
It was supposed to be
When will you
Right
issue
after the
it?
training, sir.
right after the training.
When will you issue it?
Originally, sir, it was supposed to be
When will
from
you
13
issue-
to 16, the training. Not the,
Wait, please, if you're going,
As your Lordship
if you, if they are going to mock the law, if the election commission is going to mock the law, show us the law which says schedule will be issued after training is completed. Refer to that provision.
No, it says simultaneously.
Show us that provision.
Training can go on the side. That is just
Training
a
can
capacity
go on
building.
till the
उसका तो
election
मुताल्लिक
day.
नहीं है।
It can continue training
It
people.
says simultaneously with the.
Where is the law which says
Section 52,
training of officers?
So, Mr.
It's
Swati, you have not read this to the election commission earlier.
No.
This section 52 of
It says the simultaneous
हाँ,
section
तो फिर इनको
52.
बताएं
Where is it?
It can go parallel.
52 exceptional circumstances में क्या?
जी।
Otherwise, आपके
months
लिए
prior.
आप जो कह रहे हैं शेड्यूल की लाजम है कि हम पहले ट्रेनिंग करेंगे, ये कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? ये कहीं भी नहीं लिखा हुआ। तो बताइए,
Lords,
तो ये क्यों कह रहे हैं?
60 days in ordinary circumstances before the election program, since delimitation was
आज 8 फरवरी को अगर बैकवर्ड्स करें तो आज कितने दिन रह गए?
today is the 55th day.
50?
day, 55 दिन आज. कल से 54th day,
आपको मिनिमम कितना चाहिए?
54 days.
तो you have to issue the
You
schedule
have to issue the
today.
schedule today.
Today.
Yes.
Today.
या तो फिर सबको बुला लीजिए, फिर आप भी वायलेट कर रहे हैं अपना लॉ.
नहीं, so we were going to.
Are you making a definite statement you're issuing it today or not?
अभी
We have your schedule ready. Issue it.
Hey, if you are so keen on elections, why are you backing off now?
we're not backing.
I mean, training, Mr. Umar Hamid also, training is just a capacity building which will continue. एक दिन